Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a good time celebrating Thanksgiving with your friends and family. And if you are spending Thanksgiving alone, I hope you guys had a good time just spending some quality time with yourself. But anyways, today is Black Friday, and as with Black Friday weekend and Cyber Monday every year, we all buy more than we should. But anyways, because of that, I thought I'd do an unboxing of the Google Stadia Premiere Edition, which I think has more than just a controller. I think it has more things inside. But anyways, we're gonna find out today by unboxing this. This retails for about $99 on the Google store. And for those of you who are thinking about buying this for yourself or for your friend or for a birthday gift or a Thanksgiving gift or a Christmas gift, I don't know. Whatever your case, I hope this helps you decide whether or not you want to buy it or not. And so yeah, we're gonna find out what we get in this box for $99 by unpacking it. Yeah, so for those of you who don't know, the Google Stadia here is basically Google's gaming platform. I think it's like a cloud-based gaming platform. I personally am not really sure myself, but it kind of feels like Google's version of the Xbox or like the PlayStation, which is probably an oversimplistic explanation of what it is. But basically, it's a gaming platform or console that you can use to play games on Google. So side note, I actually got this for free. A few weeks ago, I got an email from Google saying that they want to give this to me for free because I was subscribed to their YouTube Premium subscription. And so I'm pretty happy about it. And so I didn't even buy this for myself. I'm actually not even a console gamer. I usually play games on my iPad or on my laptop. That's right, guys. I am an iPad gamer. Please don't come for me. And before I get started with the unboxing and forget, like this video if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you want to stay notified with my latest uploads. Comment down below if you have any questions, thoughts, opinions, or if you just want to say hi, hello. But anyways, that's all I have to say for this video. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright guys, so I have the Google Stadia Premiere Edition box right here in front of me. And today we're gonna unbox this. And first off, I guess before I unbox everything, I'm gonna show you guys around the box what it looks like from the outside. And so as you can see, there's a picture of the controller here, and this will looks like on the side. I like the packaging. It's very clean and it's got a bunch of color. It feels like an Apple product, except it's got a bunch of color, and now it's Google. But anyways, let's open up this box to see what's inside. So good first impressions so far. Alright. But this is the controller. This is the first thing that you see. It looks like this is the Google Stadia controller, and it feels pretty good. It's pretty light. I haven't touched a gaming controller in a really long time, but just off the top of my head, just like first impressions, it feels pretty good. It feels like a pretty standard like PlayStation, Xbox controller, or at least what I remember it to be back when I played PlayStation 2. But good first impressions so far. One interesting thing here is that if you can see here, let me see. There's like a Google Assistant button, and so I'm really curious to see what that's gonna do. If there's like a voice command that you can do, or if there's anything else that this controller has that I'm not aware of. But good first impressions so far. So let's open up the box a little more. And I'm gonna put the controller over on the side. I have to say, so far I thought that the Google Stadia being like one of the newer consoles, it would be a much smaller controller, kind of like the Switch, but I'm really glad that it's pretty legit sized. It feels like an actual controller that you can like play seriously with, and so pretty good. And so here you can see that under the controller you've got the charger. It's USB to USB-C. And pretty good, pretty standard. I'm gonna put this here. So I'll also put this here. And then last but not least, it looks like we have these two things inside. It looks like we have a Chromecast here as part of the Google Stadia Premiere Edition package, and it's black in color. If you guys don't know what the Chromecast is, it lets you, if you have a TV or a monitor, you can plug this behind. And it takes an HDMI, and what you can do is you can plug this in behind your TV, and you can use it to cast stuff like play YouTube or Netflix or HBO on your device from your phone. And this is the sorry, and it looks like this is the power cable for the Chromecast. And so I'm guessing what you do is like you plug this in all, and you get it set up behind the TV. And once you do that, there must be some kind of functionality that lets you connect this controller to the Chromecast, and it lets you play games on your TV. But yeah, I'm trying to see if there's anything else inside the box. I think that's all of them. Let me see if I can open this up. I think it doesn't look like you can pull that apart. But yeah, that's all that we have inside the box. Oh, looks like there's a manual here. I didn't notice. So it looks like you also get this control instructions. Looks like there's a manual to show you guys how to get started with the Stadia controller. Let's see if I can get that. There we go. And yeah, so I think that was right. So I think you plug in your Chromecast. Sorry, let me get that focus. Chromecast, and then you set up your controller, and then it kind of explains to you how the Stadia controller works, and it seems pretty good. Here's a picture of everything that's included. And so yeah, you have the Stadia controller, and then you have the USB-C cable, the power adapter, the Chromecast Ultra, and the power adapter for the Chromecast Ultra. So yeah, it looks like that's all that we have in the box. I hope that was helpful. Before I leave, let me just lay everything out on the table so that you can get a clear view. If we lay everything out on this table, you've got the Chromecast here, the power supply for the Chromecast next to it, and then you've got the USB-C and the power adapter for that. I'll combine them here, and the controller. So I think this controller is a wireless controller, and so my guess is that you got to use this power adapter to charge the Stadia controller. It just feels really nice. It feels really smooth. It's nice to hold, and then last but not least, you have the manual here. But yeah, that is what is inside the Stadia box. But yeah, this is everything in the box. I hope this was helpful. I hope this helped you decide whether or not you want to buy this. And if you guys are just looking to browse or just curious, I hope this answered all of your questions. But yeah, that was the unboxing of the Google Stadia Premiere Edition controller and the Chromecast Ultra that comes with it. In terms of whether or not I would spend my money and actually buy this if I didn't get this for free, it would totally depend on what games are available on the platform and if my friends have it. For me personally, I like to play games that have multiplayer options, and it'd be a plus if I can play games with my friends online or in person. And so if my friends have it, I would totally buy this. In terms of the actual games on the platform, I have yet to check them out, and I could do a separate video where I actually check out the games available and play them. But anyways, I have a good overall first impression of the controller. In terms of the gameplay, I have yet to try it out, and so perhaps another video. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you want to stay updated on my latest uploads, and comment down below if you have any thoughts, responses, questions, opinions. And on that note, I'll see you guys in my next video.